Today, meanings of grammar will be told from English to English with respect to dictionary such as it has been told already from English to Urdu. In dictionary, grammar means syntax, morphology, principle of language, or to use the language in correct manner. In dictionary, grammar means syntax, morphology, principles of language, or to use a language in correct manner. In dictionary, grammar means syntax, morphology, principles of language, or to use a language in correct manners. I hope that you will be liked my this video. If you have liked my this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as follow my Facebook page. Wama alayna illa al balagul mubin.